Oh, it's already doing my back. Today I'm doing an unboxing and first impressions of a massage chair that Renpho kindly gifted me and sent to me. So in the past I did a massage gun that they sent to me. And today, as I said, we're doing an unboxing and first impressions of their massage chair. So let's get into it. I hope I can lift this. It seems bigger than me. Okay, so this came, by the way, oh good, it has a handle. That's so handy. Whew. Look, I can lift it. That was easy. Okay, this came very quickly via Amazon, so in case you're like hot to trot to get it. By the way, we're going to have a discount code for you guys at the end. I don't make money from that, but this was gifted to me. And by the way, I get asked to review things probably every day, and most of the times I say no, but I say yes to things that I think I'll use and are relevant to me. Wow, this is intense. This is like kind of more full on than I thought it was going to be. Let's get it out. I'm holding this X-Acto knife, which I don't think I'm going to need. Okay, so we've got that. We've got the AC cord, and we've got instructions, which hopefully we don't need because we want to give our first impressions. Hopefully we can just plug it in and go. So here's a little belt holding it together. We are hoping this is going to be plug and go. Maybe we can fast forward this part because this is going to be boring. Let's get it on a chair and try and figure this out. Okay, I get the picture. You hook it up to the chair. I'll just do this one loosely so I can do the bottom one. Okay, so you've got these seat belts for the chair. We are in the chair. And plug it in. You're going to cut all this in between stuff, right?
Maybe.
Please, otherwise it's going to be the most boring video ever. Yeah, maybe I'll get lucky. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's already going. Oh, it's already doing my back. It's already doing my back, but this definitely needs to go up. So, wow. How is it already doing my back? That's fantastic. Okay. It's doing everything right now. Okay. The neck massage. Oh. This is fantastic. Do you remember when we went and we were buying our couch and we sat on that chair and I sat on that chair for like 40 minutes and it was $10,000? Do you remember that?
Massage chair.
Yeah. And I was like, if this chair wasn't so ugly, I would buy one for my house because it was it was so huge and ugly. But this is
not the $10,000 wasn't the part that was the problem.
Well, the $10,000 part too, but this, oh my God. Okay, right now, I want it to go up a bit. Okay, right now it is heating my neck, which I love. I don't know about you guys, but I love, oh my God. This is amazing. I'm sorry, you guys. I've got to explain what it's doing.
And does the neck part go up and down?
The neck part has like some rolling balls and it's doing like my shoulders right here, my traps. And then it's...
But how do you get it to go up and down? Like,
I don't know. As soon as I turned it on, it moved up.
Oh, okay. But you see on the remote control, this little says...
Yeah, that...
Brush up and go up and down. No, just keep it down.
Oh, yeah, that's how you get it to move to the right position. Can you guys see that, how it's moving now to where you need it on your neck? Okay, so the neck thing, there's a pad here and it's warm. So I was saying I like, oh my gosh. I'm sorry, I'm so distracted. This is so fantastic. So there are some balls that are going like this around the sides of either side of my erector spine on my neck. And then there's, oh, this is fantastic. There's ones that are on my traps, you know, where it gets so tight right here on your shoulders. That is heaven. You're supposed to only stay on here for 30 minutes. Now, the back is heating as well. Oh, but now it's going down, up and down my back, all the way down to your sacrum. Oh, and it does it so nice down there on your sacrum. Then it goes all the way up your low back as well. This thing is magic. Thank you, Renpho. I mean, it's Mother's Day coming up. This is like the best. So first impressions, I'm in love. I'm going to be on here every day. Pardon?
The magic of editing.
Oh, Tim's saying with the magic of editing, we're going to come back and give how I like it after a week. Like, how much do I actually use it?
Yeah.
I don't want to get off. Okay, first impressions are I love it. And it was really easy to use. Once we figured out we just need to turn it on, and then obviously we just thought we needed to adjust that neck thing. But once you turn it on, you move the neck thing up and it heats. I've got the back heating on, the back massage. Okay, let's just see. Oh, you can, oh my gosh, look, you can vibrate the seat too. Oh, okay, that's fancy, ladies. Oh my gosh, it goes to different levels. Okay, that's a little more excitement than I was expecting. Okay, and you can turn the back intensity. Okay, this is fantastic. I love it. Okay, I'll let you know after a week how often I use it, how much I like it. I love it right now. I've got 30 more minutes I'm going to spend on it. Okay, so I've had a week or two to get used to the machine and the controls, and so I wanted to share with you a little bit about why I'm enjoying the machine and what the controls can do for you and why that makes this machine more usable. So on this machine, you can control the intensity, so you can have it at low, medium, or high. You can have the heat on or off on the neck and the back area. And you can control where you want the neck to be. So it will automatically choose, I guess it has AI, somehow it knows where to go. But one thing that I've found useful is that it tends to push me forward a little bit, and then it doesn't give me as much as I want in my low back. So one thing that I've found is that it can be useful if I want to do my low back to just turn the neck massage off and focus on my low back. And then I move the neck right to the middle. So I'm just going to move it up a little bit so it sits right in the curve of my neck. And then I can just lean back and really focus in on my low back. The other thing that you can do with the neck part is the back part is focus on a specific spot in your back. So right now it's in my mid back, and if I want it to just stay there, I press the back spot button and it'll just stay there. And then if I press it off, it'll move down, and I can again say it's getting right down into like my glutes, and I spent some time at the gym, so I press the back spot there and it will stay there, and I can really work those right around my SI joint and my glutes out. And that, I think, is a very useful feature if you've got a spot that you want to work. Now, if it's too much, even with low or medium or high intensity, the other thing that you can do is add a layer between you and the massager, so you can put in a blanket or a towel, and that'll make it less intense. Particularly like if your shoulders are really sore, you could just put a towel or a blanket over this and it would make it less intense. So I love it. I think for the price, it's $149 US or $199 Canadian. It's like the cost of a massage, and you're going to use it multiple times. I found myself going to it multiple times throughout the week. And so you're going to get your money back really quickly. And it's a great offer. So On top of that, we've got a 10% discount code for you that Renpho kindly gave to us. This was gifted to me, by the way, which I think I said in my unboxing part. But for you, we've got a 10% discount code. So this could be a great Father's Day gift, or which, by the way, Tim is loving it. And he uses it reclined more. So he lies back into it more on a recliner chair, right? So lots of uses for it. I'm a huge fan of massage and myofascial release. It really is great for the tissues. It gives different input to the brain, which allows you to relax. So I think it's a great tool. I highly recommend it. I'm really grateful to Renpho for sending it to me. I'm grateful to have it, and thanks so much. So go ahead and leave your comments below. Let me know if you decide to get it, or if you have one, or if you have other things like this that you'd like me to test. Let me know, because I'm all about the myofascial release tools and I love trying them. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.